Hello student. In this session we will study the periodic trend in periodic table based on physical and chemical properties of elements. We know that the element are the basic unit of all type of matter. In 1800 only 31 elements were known, but by 1865 the number of identified elements had more than doubled to 63. At present 118 elements are known. With such large number of elements, it is very difficult to study individually the chemistry of all these elements. To essay out this problem, scientists search for a systematic way to organize their knowledge by classifying the elements. We'll see modern periodic table and its law. The modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical property of the element are periodic function of their atomic number. Scientists arrange the element in increasing order of their atomic number from left to right across each row. In the periodic table, the elements are arranged in a horizontal row are called period and vertical columns are called groups. The table consists of 7 period and 18 groups. The period number of an element signifies the n, that is principal quantum number for valence shell. Elements having a similar outer electronic configuration in their atom are arranged in a vertical column referred to as a group or families. There are many observable patterns in the physical and chemical properties of element as we descend in a group or move across period in the periodic table. If you see in periodic table, a chemical reactivity tends to be high in group 1 metal and group 17 non-metal and lower chemical reactivity in elements toward the middle of the table. Likewise, within a group in a alkali metal reactivity increases on moving down the group, whereas with a group of non-metal in halogen family reactivity decreases down the group. But why do the properties of element follow these trends, and how can we explain the periodicity? To answer this question, we must look into the theory of atomic structure and properties of the atom. In this section, we shall discuss the periodic trend in certain physical and chemical properties and try to explain them in terms of number of electron and energy level. What are the trends in physical properties? There are numerous physical properties of elements such as melting point and boiling point, heat of fusion and vaporization, energy of atomization, etc., which shows periodic variation. However, we shall discuss the periodic trend with respect to atomic and ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity. First one is the atomic radius. Atomic radius. Roughly we can say the radius of an atom is the distance between the atomic nucleus and the outermost shell containing electron. Here I have given an example: lithium, sodium, potassium. As the number of shell increases, the atomic radius increases. But finding the size of an atom is lot more complicated. There are two reasons. First, atomic size is very small. Second one is the electron cloud surrounding the atom does not have a sharp boundary. Hence, the determination of atomic size cannot be precise. Also, as per the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the position and the velocity object cannot both measure exactly at the same time. Means there is no practical way by which the size of an individual atom can be measured. Hence, an